salt. Alright, so this is inch. Okay. Ah! And the salt, look at the salt.
Bad.
Oh, I did the salt. Hold on. Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, courtesy of Mr. Bevin, I'm going to show you how to make traditional Jamaican corn flour made from 100% organic Jamaican corn. And I understand that he has a little bonus for us. So stay with me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, I invite you to join me. I do a lot of these kind of videos capturing what I call the real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So if not yet subscribed to my channel, I'm going to say hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's get inside. Community guys, look at that nice house, and this is Mr. and Mrs. Morris. But we call him Bevin. There's a little echo here, but because it's a little, the area is a wide space here, guys, so bear with us a little bit. But this is the man who makes the corn flour here in these parts in St. Elizabeth. Very popular here. He's going to show us how to make corn flour today. So, show me what you have, sir. Where's the corn?
Where's the corn?
That's the corn. Alright. That's the corn.
Yes.
And this is corn that was shell, we say.
Yes.
Shell and clean already. Alright, you don't do you do anything special with it?
No, nothing special.
You just shell it.
Shell it. From this.
You just shell it and put it in.
Shell it.
Yeah, man. Then you
After I shell it, put it in the electric grinder.
So beautiful. You have a grinder.
Yes, a grinder.
A commercial grinder.
Yes.
All right, which is awesome. So it's drying the field. You don't take it home and dry it on a sheet on a tin or anything.
No.
Dry the field.
Yes.
Okay.
And the field come and shell it.
So it's all natural.
Yes.
All natural stuff. Okay, good. And then you put it in here, and then what happens? You turn it on. You say, what?
Turn it on.
Go ahead.
I want to turn it on. Want to make some nice.
Yeah, man, that's fine. That was quick.
Yes, very quick.
All right. So, there's some more still inside here.
Yes, very quick.
So some more still. So
yes.
Oh, so what did?
It's kind of when you overflow it, you shut off the machine itself.
Oh.
So it's just about the pressure off it to let it start again.
Oh, so how you release the pressure?
Yes.
This is what you use to release the pressure?
This release the pressure.
Okay.
If I want it to cut finer, want it to cut bigger. And it come out much bigger like your crack.
Oh, so hold on. So here you loose to get it bigger. What do you do? You omit? Don't show me again.
If you let it bigger, then adjustment knob.
Over here?
Yes, adjustment knob.
Okay, if you want it finer,
yeah,
just adjust it the other direction.
Just it either and screw it down further.
Okay.
So you want to crush it like how people crack corn, and it's up like this.
Oh, alright.
Crack it.
Alright, so you're going to show us that too, you know.
Yes.
So this is a fine one.
Yes.
Relatively.
Yes, fine.
Alright, take it up, man. Let me examine it and take a look. So this is a corn flour. So there's nothing, and I understand.
Let me just spin.
Okay. So this is a finished product.
Yes, a finished product.
Okay.
A finished product.
That's a finished product.
Fine.
Alright, this is as fine as it gets, eh?
Yes.
Alright, and no, and this is what? Oh, this is the other stuff you have here.
Yes, that's what I have here.
Okay, but where's the corn? Oh, this is the corn flour. This is the one we want. Alright, so this is the corn flour, and this is your brand.
Yes, this is the name of my farm.
Full Farm.
Full Farm.
Oh, Full Farm.
Full Farm.
That seems very well. Okay, Full Farm corn flour. So this is
100% corn flour.
100%. So what else is in there?
Nothing else in here.
Nothing else?
Nothing else. Just
No salt,
no salt, nothing.
So that's your finished product, and this is your brand.
Yes.
Full Farm. I want you to show me now first though. Show me how you do the crack one. We want to see the crack one. The crack one you said is the one that you
Yes.
the crack one is the one you said you
Yeah, the crack.
you used to
Yeah.
make the how many corn?
Yes.
How many corn, right?
Yes. Yes. So this is the grinding chamber. This we call this the grinding chamber.
Mm-hmm.
After I go in here, we call it in the grinding chamber. So I want to ease the pressure off of the grinding chamber.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need something stronger. Oh. Okay. So that wasn't its tightest.
Yes. But the tight is the
Finite gate. Okay.
Okay. This one going to come out much bigger now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so this now, this is the what you call this now, the crack corn.
Crack corn. This is the crack corn.
And this is the one they used to use to say to make what, not to make how many?
How many?
How many corn?
Yes.
Just kind of, yeah, let me see what it looks like. I don't know, see I have on the gloves and stuff. See, yeah man, okay. Alright, okay, that's fine. Oh, so this is how, open your hand now with me. Oh, so this is what now you use for the how many? For the how many corn?
Yes.
The how many porridge?
Yeah.
How many porridge? Okay, okay, okay. So this is okay. Cool, cool, cool. Nice, nice, nice. All right. This corn here, Mr. Bevin.
Yes.
And you plant them or you buy them from somebody?
Well, sometimes I plant and every time I run out, I buy from the farmers around it. Yeah.
Oh, but you get good quality.
Yes, looks quality.
Looks good to me. Looks good to me.
Yes, good quality corn. Good quality corn.
So good quality corn.
Yes.
All right. So that's the crack one. So it's two main. You have the flour or
Yes.
which is pure powder.
Pure powder.
And then you have the crack corn. Those are the
Yes,
two
crack
main
corn. Yes.
two main products you have in
Yes.
terms of the corn.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, by the way,
Number 6.
this is where again? That's for the benefit of my viewers.
Here is Crown Land Settlement. Crown Land Settlement.
Crawl and settlement in
Yes.
St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth, not this area in Northwest St. Elizabeth.
Not right, St. Elizabeth. Okay.
Yes, Northwest St. Elizabeth.
Okay, good. If people want to reach out to you
Yes.
to get your product, your corn flour
Yes.
or the corn,
Yeah.
what do you call it? The how many corn? How many corn? Yeah. How can they get in touch with you? You have a phone number?
575-3744.
575-3744. 876 guys, and there's a number. The number is also on screen. 876-575-3744. That's what they said?
And R
Uh-huh.
307 6422.
Alright. 876 we're in Jamaica.
Yes.
Alright, cool. So that's the Cornflour man. I heard about him. Guys, I said we're gonna check him out here. So he makes Cornflour or old time Jamaican cornflour, the real old time cornflour. Not cornmeal flour, but corn flour from corn. And his wife here, Miss Morris. Mrs. Morris. What's your first name, Mrs. Morris?
Pauline.
Pauline.
Yeah?
Miss Pauline says she's gonna make us. What are you gonna make us?
Porridge.
And it says cornmeal porridge, but it's not quite the cornmeal we eat.
Corn.
Flour porridge. Okay, but it's again it's 100. It's nothing added, just pure corn. Corn finely crushed, I would
Yes.
say, right? Powder.
Yeah.
And this is the one. It tastes different. You say you make porridge all the time with it, Miss?
Yeah?
Huh?
I love corn porridge.
And how it tastes? So,
It's nice.
how different is it from the regular cornmeal you buy?
Stronger.
Stronger?
Yes.
Okay.
With your iron.
More iron. More iron in the body.
Iron in your body.
Alright. Okay, alright. So what is that you putting in there now?
You want to put some salt in the water. The water is boiling up now.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Alright. So we're on stove here, stove time. Oh, not a bottle quick man.
Just a little salt.
Uh-huh. Okay. A little salt. Alright, so this is the inch. Okay. Ah! And the salt, look at
It's
salt.
not bad.
Oh, I did the salt. Hold on. Hold on.
We need to get some nutmeg in there already.
Oh, you put nutmeg in there.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a little secret thing and go on.
Yes, I must
Miss
eat.
Morris. You never tell me so you have something else in there. Okay, okay, alright, good. Okay, and then they just this is room temperature water now.
Yeah.
They're pouring onto it. So this is the same corn flour that we use.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Don't you throw it in the pot, no?
Oh, yeah, okay. Alright. Okay. So remember, if you get lumpy, I know from experience, if you can't meal, get a little lumpy, it's not stir, right? Okay.
Then mix it with some cold water.
Oh,
That's
it's-
it, no lumpy.
If you use cold water, it's a bit lumpy. Huh?
Yeah, cold water you have to use, mix it up.
Lump up?
Yeah.
Oh. It's cold water or room temperature? It's room temperature. Room temperature. Right, Miss Mine?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't fridge you take it out. I just...
No.
Okay. Alright. And you turn it and you turn it and you turn it and you... So this is, so what we're gonna get at the end of this, we're gonna get some authentic corn flour porridge.
Porridge.
Cornmeal porridge. We don't have a cornmeal because cornmeal is a conventional, commercial one. But this one is the corn. I take it out of the field.
Yeah.
Okay. And we just crush it and make it thing. It's supposed to be nice. Looking forward to it, man.
Get too thick, you add a little water.
Or after you make cornmeal porridge, it's nice.
I love it.
Or after. Since you say you love it so much, so after.
Every other morning.
Every other morning.
Yeah.
Just because you're going to have the milk. I went to fear. What you do fear?
Eh?
What you do fear?
What?
The cornmeal. Anything special you do fear in the energy or whatever?
Yeah. And I love it.
Love it. Okay. Tubes of vanilla. I want vanilla that this morning. I like about a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put less.
Alright. Alright, so how we stay now, Miss Morris?
With cooking.
Cooking.
Yeah.
Bubble up. You cover it or you normally
Half covered.
half cover it? Okay. Alright. So soon we'll have porridge.
Yeah.
Alright. Miss Morris says it's almost time, guys, and I noticed you have our opener and our Betty milk. Who remember the Betty milk? Give me a thumbs up. The old time Betty milk. Let me see. Show them the Betty milk. Alright. Old time Betty. Good. Yeah, man. What do you think? Sorry.
A knife there real thick.
Alright. You get the man. Get him. Alright.
Right.
Alright. Good.
Yes.
Old time Betty. I have some of the little condiment, some of the little stuff here. So you put your nutmeg already. See? I put your
Yes,
nutmeg on the
nutmeg
grater.
going here
And
already.
the vanilla extract.
Yes.
And you look something. Alright. And your milk now. Alright, so back to the stove time.
Sugar? You use sugar?
Yes, man. Not too much, but you know, go. Alright, look good, man. Look good. So, how you know when you cook?
Yeah.
Experience.
Yeah. Alright. Sugar?
Mm.
So you use sugar. There's a left hand there,
I left hand there. Okay, all the better angle for me.
no, no sugar.
Alright, so one. Okay. Alright, guys, looking forward to the corn flour porridge. That's all?
Yeah.
Corn flour porridge. Alright. Alright, and a little Betty milk. Betty milk still a going good. Again, there's no recipe. You just kind of just one thing about what you know, housewives. You know, most cases you don't really measure nothing. You just kind of judge, not true.
Yeah.
It's salt. You just take a look and you know exactly whether one small pot or a big pot. And the milk is the same thing, and the sugar is the same thing.
Yeah.
Aye. So look good, man. You see you do this every other day?
Yeah.
Cause you like it?
Yeah.
Oh. So this corn, Mr. Morris, in the background here. So this corn is not just your corn, you said. This you get corn from other suppliers, other farmers, right? No, this in particular.
Yes, yes.
Want more milk? Alright, this is good, you know, man. Porridge is power food, you know.
Yes.
Cornmeal porridge, I'm saying, not true?
It's true.
And man, you get this morning time, you're good for the day.
Yeah.
Oh, remember the cornmeal porridge, guys, but anyway, we say this is, we're not calling it corn, we're calling it cornflour porridge. Cornflour porridge. But, oh, alright, what's your name? Tanya. I'm calling out Tanya. Tanya is in the background videoing me. Guys, on a high. So she's on the record. Alright.
Tanya.
Yeah, well, alright, man. She good now. Me have her of this. Big up Tanya for me, guys, on the chat for me. Tanya is our daughter. She's the one who helped to get our little meeting here, but she's a little bit camera shy. But we are bigger up still. Look like you can cook it on Miss Morris.
I don't use enough salt, so I don't know.
No, Miss, it look like you know your stuff and you can
Yeah.
yeah. Very smooth. You doesn't take your time on this one, do you think?
It's sweet to me.
It's sweet. Alright, sweet to you. Alright, so we're going to do a little taste test now. So going on. Part of the adventure. We'll do a taste test. Mine now. Alright, I'm gonna get the best dish in the house to look like, man. Nice. Don't give me too much though. Alright, that good, man. That good, man, you know. A taste. I mean, I share about taste here, man. That's okay. Alright. Good. No, man, that's good, man. That's good, man. Thank you. No, nothing special. No, man, nothing special. Oh, you want to put it in there? Alright, that's fine. Alright. Thank you.
I think it was you alone.
No, man, no, me I share good.
Here is the spoon.
Yeah, man, put it there. Thank you. Alright, we're going on the veranda, guys, where it's more roomy and more space and more air and everything.
No.
Alright, we're gonna sample this thing here. Here with me, guys, so a little change. She's gonna do the test first. This is Cher, your content writer. And she's gonna do the taste test first. She used the Fanta, by the way. She said she don't use a lot of sugar, so this is cornflour. Wait a minute. Cornflour porridge. Okay. Oh.
It's nice.
It
It tastes like cornmeal.
Oh, no different? No different from the regular cornmeal porridge? I thought it would taste a little bit different though.
Okay.
Because it's homemade and not commercial. Okay. Alright.
It's
Don't eat that.
healthier.
Okay, alright, cool. Alright, so my time, guys. Tastes a little bit richer though. Yeah, man, there's a faint difference between the cornmeal and the commercial cornmeal and this. But there's a little thing about it, a little edge. You can feel that it's more traditional. I mean homemade, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Cheers, it tastes good. Miss Morris, pick up yourself, Miss Morris. Stuff, Mr. Morris, Miss Morris. Paris, she's good, man. Pick up yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, so you have some more stuff here. You wanted me to show my viewers. So this is what? Come closer, man. Come closer. This is corn asham,
Yes, corn.
banana flour,
Yes.
plantain flour. This is the corn flour we just do.
Yes.
And then this is plantain flour again.
Yes.
Oh, so you do all of them stuff.
Yes.
So what you doing, somebody? You dry the product and crush them.
Yeah, I'm crushing.
Oh man, you're doing well. So again, guys, if you want to try out some of his products, the command here doing good. I'm so proud of him. You know what I mean? This looks interesting. I think the banana one for sure. You can use the banana one in porridge, right?
Yeah.
All of them, right?
Porridge dumpling.
Banana dumpling. Nice. And the asham here. Oh, you mean the asham? By the way, guys, we did a video on asham. check the description for that one. Courtesy of Miss, what's her name again, Cher?
Miss Pauline.
No, not Pauline, somebody up in the hills. Oh, yes. So Messina, we did a video on Messina with the corn asham. If you missed that, definitely can't miss that. Make sure you check it out as well. But good going, Mr. Morris and Miss Morris. All the best to you, man. Blessings, no. If you're interested in any of these products, guys, remember to just reach out to him. Our number on screen as well as number in the description as well. He calls it Full Farm. That's his brand. Mr. and Mrs. Morris and their cornflour. And I must add their cornflour porridge. What do you make of them? What do you make of what they do? You know the routine. Go ahead and share a comment below. And there's another video you must see if not yet seen. The asham, courtesy of Miss Sina. In the description, in the card above. See you in that one.